And you might ask yourself, well, Cody, that's pretty awesome, but what do I do from there? Well, this is where phase 3 comes in. So now we are going to be talking about some spoilers. And you guys are not going to have access to this section just yet. It is the end of April 2024, like I said. And I've got this locally housed on mine, but I want to show you guys where we are taking Sam next and how this is going to transform not only your understanding of what real estate specific technology can do for you, but what AI can do to help you in your business. And like I said, this is a system accelerator, which uses AI to house, refine, create, but most importantly, use information, right? And this is where we are going to see how it's using this information. So I realized, we're gathering lead details, but we currently don't have anywhere that's being housed. So I built out a contact section. Now you're probably pretty familiar with this. I would wager that your CRM or some sort of systems that you're using have a contact section. But it's gathering information that we gain from these leads and it's placing it in one area. Now, a couple things we can do. We can build layouts into our contact section to do some really cool things. So perhaps I want a filtered list just to see all of the leads that I need to call. I can create that list and it's going to give me their listed details so that I can give them a call. I can just click down the line and call each one of them. Now, the really cool thing is assuming you have some sort of calling service housed on your website, or on your computer rather, you just click this phone number and it'll start allowing you to dial out to them. If you want to email them, you can click this email. It's going to help you do that. But now we have a way for us to store things inside of the system. This is step 1.